TONEX versus Fender Tone Master Pro, which guitar processor is better? Choosing the right guitar processor can completely change how you shape your sound without complicated setups. We'll explore TONEX's AI modeling and Fender's classic Tone Master Pro. TONEX and Fender Tone Master Pro are both advanced guitar processors, but differ in approach. TONEX uses AI-driven amp modeling for endless tonal possibilities, while Fender Tone Master Pro focuses on delivering authentic Fender amp tones with reliable hardware performance. TONEX is an AI-powered guitar processor developed by IK Multimedia that leverages machine learning to replicate the sound of countless classic and boutique amplifiers. It works by analyzing the tonal characteristics of real amps and recreating them digitally, allowing guitarists to access a vast library of authentic amp sounds. The strengths of TONEX lie in its versatility and ease of use, offering instant access to a wide range of tones without the need for physical amps or complex setups. It integrates seamlessly with digital audio workstations and live rigs, making it ideal for studio musicians and performers who want flexibility and innovation. However, TONEX's reliance on software means it requires a compatible interface and some familiarity with digital gear. It may not fully replicate the tactile feel of an analog amp, which could be a limitation for purists. Overall, TONEX suits players looking for cutting-edge technology and broad tonal variety in a compact form. The Fender Tone Master Pro is a hardware guitar processor designed to emulate the classic Fender amp sound with high fidelity. It features Fender's proprietary digital modeling technology combined with premium hardware components to deliver warm, authentic tones reminiscent of vintage Fender amplifiers. The device operates independently, providing a plug-and-play experience with intuitive controls, making it straightforward for guitarists who prefer hardware over software solutions. Its strengths include robust build quality, reliable performance, and a focus on capturing the signature Fender sound that many players love. The Tone Master Pro excels in live settings and recording environments where consistent, high-quality tone is essential. On the downside, it offers less tonal variety compared to AI-based processors like TONEX, focusing mainly on Fender-style sounds. This makes it ideal for players dedicated to Fender's classic tones, or those seeking a dependable hardware-based amp simulation without the complexity of software. Comparing TONEX and Fender Tone Master Pro highlights a trade-off between versatility and authenticity. TONEX's AI modeling provides an extensive palette of amp sounds, perfect for guitarists who want to experiment across genres or require a flexible studio tool. It shines in digital workflows but depends on external interfaces and software stability. The Fender Tone Master Pro, by contrast, offers a focused, hardware-driven experience with meticulously crafted Fender tones, ideal for players who prioritize classic sound and simplicity. In live performances, the Tone Master Pro's standalone nature ensures reliability and ease, while TONEX's software integration may introduce latency or setup complexity. For players seeking broad sonic exploration, TONEX is superior. To those devoted to Fender's iconic sound and a plug-and-play approach, the Tone Master Pro stands out. Each suits different environments and player preferences. Choose TONEX if you want cutting-edge AI-driven versatility and a vast range of amp models for creative studio work and flexible live setups. Opt for the Fender Tone Master Pro if you value authentic Fender tones with straightforward hardware reliability, especially for live performances or recording classic sounds. Both processors excel in different areas, so your choice depends on whether you prioritize tonal variety or focused authenticity.